everybody, here we're with Chiragh, and what we're going to do is talk about AI and cybersecurity. And without further ado, let me introduce you. And he's going to explain a little bit about himself and a little bit about his background, and then we're going to get right to it. Take it away.
Sure. Thanks a lot, Bert. So, if I talk about my background, I have been in cyber industry since last 15 years. Started with the usual path network security, slowly moved into the cloud side. During this journey, I completed around 25-26 certifications, including CISSP, so CCIE, OSCP, and all other technical part. If we talk about work with many Fortune 500 companies, large government and bank, help them to secure their network up to certain level, because this is not a single person game, it's a team game. So work as a part of the team, help on the various projects. And since last 4 years, I am running company called Cyberna. Initially started as part of the contracting, but slowly started getting core customer from the references. So far in last 4.5 years, we have like almost helped on our 25 clients, for small to medium.
Oh, nice. Very good.
To secure their environment, and that's it. Means cyber is a big ocean. We are very small fish in state.
All right, very good. Okay, so let me. Okay, so that is great, and then we're going to get right to the questions here in a second.
Before you start,
all right, and we're back with Chiragh. So what we're going to do here is we're going to ask a few questions here about cybersecurity and AI. So give me a little environmental lowdown on how you see AI playing in cybersecurity and how that's going to be able to help companies detect threats and prevent threats. Okay, take it away.
Sure. Thanks a lot for question, Bart. So if we talk about AI was just a buzzword around like 2019, 2020. But like OpenAI created this beautiful thing called GPT algorithms, released around like 30th November 2021, and that changed almost everything into the whole spectrum. And cyber is not isolated from that. If we think about that, before that, AI was there, which I recently gave a talk to the university student, and one of the things I mentioned there was basically our brain has a two part, left cortex and right cortex. Left cortex is for the logical program, logical assessment, and right cortex is the cognitive and creative skills. Now, AI was powerful. They were powerful around 1998, who were beating the chess grandmasters across the globe. So AI was powerful. Problem was that AI do not have this creative ability. It doesn't have that NLP, that natural language processing. If I will say headbutt, or if I will say sarcastically headbutt, there is no way AI was able to recognize that. But with this transformer and GPT algorithms, it is possible. Now it is very much possible to process this natural language and through the AI, and that opened the Pandora box. Now, coming back to your question from the cyber side, it helps immensely both sides. I am not talking about just defense, offense also. For bad guys also, is helping that much. First, if we talk about the defense side, so if we talk about like identifying the creative phishing mail, like if this is a phishing or not, the pattern recognition. Pattern recognition was there from the beginning, but now the heuristic-based, behavioral based thing, AI can easily identify whether it is the behavior based. And some companies like Darkness and other, they are working very good on that spectrum. Now, if we talk about the GRC side, now there are many tools available which are directly taking feed from the users, servers, or user machine, doing all the compliance just by using the AI thing. Apart from that, there is a Splunk, there is a Prisma Cloud, which there a whole lot of the vendors are using AI more and more means just for the means to making environment more secure by either by recognizing pattern good way, or the behavioral ways, or the governance and compliance means, or using the AI to to train a lot of noise. There is another spectrum is the AI to train employees or identify these things. So that is the way AI is gonna change the cyber industry. A very, very big. And this is just a defense side. Offense side is singular. I'm not sure, but if anyone has used the ChatGPT on the day it released, on the 30th November 2021, you ask them, okay, there are 5 banks of Australia, like, give me the top 5 banks of Australia, and find out the vulnerability environment. Yeah, I used to give the vulnerability to that one. They put the restriction on top of that. So, just split kiddies who doesn't have that much skill, AI gave them power just to do this funky skill. Apart from that, AI can write a malware or polymorphism virus, or AI can write down creative phishing events or a phishing, or there is a new thing is happening, right? Where they can spoof anyone's voice or face, and they can leverage that, like. So that is the one of the concerning point into the cyber.
Very
space.
good. Yes. I see I see where you're going with that. So let me ask you this. So what do you give me your thoughts on AI detecting anomalies within network traffic, for example? So how would you foresee that happening, and how does that benefit companies?
That is a very big way. So far, even like there is only two ways to recognize the virus and prevent it before it will affect anyone. One is by pattern recognition. That's where the old legacy IDS, IPS were working. They will use to download attack signatures from vendors, and those attack signatures are just basically set of pattern. They used to analyze that pattern when the traffic is coming, is this pattern is matching or not. That is kind of a reactive event because like there was a zero-day attack, many customers get affected, then vendor will create that attack signature and then you will download. So that was a reactive. Now another is the word which you use, behavioral based. Now AI has that trust is doing very good in that way. Like just like human bodies, AI can recognize, okay, what is the standard normal for any functionality. If you have a TP server, or if you have a web server, or if you have like any of the environment, what would be the standard way, standard CPU utilization, standard traffic, standard memory utilization, standard number of heat and other thing. When things deviate from that standard, just like our human body, this anomaly-based detection will identify that, okay, something is wrong. There is something is fishy, and then it will start analyzing on it with the result just based on anomaly without.
Okay, so let me ask you this: so, what are some of the downsides or some of the thought processes on relying upon AI too much in cybersecurity?
This is the interesting question. In our industry, one of the biggest threat is the supply chain attack. Like there was SolarWinds got hacked, and whole lot of the world got hacked. Microsoft got hacked, and whole vendor means client got hacked. Or there is a Okta got hacked, and or their client got hacked. So these are the supply chain attack. Now, to give answer to your question, if I am relying on AI algorithm too much, and if someone poisons those training module of the AI, which is analyzing data or other thing, if somehow when I reach to that model where the AI is getting trained and poison that one with the rock by feeding the wrong data, they can do whatever they want basically. So, and another thing is human will, regardless of whatever the human are inevitable, but more we rely on the AI. This is again my personal opinion, probably controversial, but more humans are losing the skill. If you remember when there was a STD issues of the landline, or everyone used to remember everyone's number. Now we have a mobile, everything is our directory, so now that number is not useful. As of now, I myself, and I have worked for a client, when I have gone through, I have done the log analysis for hours to find this thing. Now, if those things will be definitely gonna be AI's job down the line, if not now, nowadays we have this facility, but within a 5 years, definitely AI will take over that thing. Then most of the human will lose this thing, and somehow, by some reason, whether the AI is going or whatever reason, if AI miss this, I would be skeptical that there would be many experts across the globe who can go up to that level, like 5 anomalies, who can do the
Yeah.
humans
So
are
very good. So good stuff. Very good, Chiragh. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a break, and then we will reconvene. But I'm going to have some follow-up questions for you at another session. So this is great stuff, and I do appreciate your insight on cybersecurity and how it integrates with AI here on Within the Pixels. So you are been fantastic today, and I do appreciate you. All right.